set the souls free. Me, I guess I rap for the same thing. Of course it means more to reach the hordes and the masses. Let me tell you what happens straight off the boards to teach you of the static like it's classes in your local college town or city where it's pretty. Not tripping over people whose attitudes are shitty. Microphone batting practice and start politicking. Well, I'm from point A to point B in a hurry. Spells, times, and joints, you'll be down in a flurry. Don't scurry, my vision's not blurry, and my grandson's name is Murray. Isn't that pretty? Now let me tell y'all why that cage bird sings. Because Tweety thinks he saw a pretty tat and all those things that creep into your dreams until they turn into nightmares. Feel like plots and schemes, make your insides more aware. No time to stop and stare, because the ones who come with the glare are really more devil than dare. I just picked up a spare, dealing out shit, so you better beware. The wit for all you culprits, triangle, circle, square. What's done is done, and I did it right there. Next time you hear this one, shake your derriere.